Afternoon. My name is Janelle Herodias, BSc 3, Section 1, Production and Operation Management. In this course, I learned the crucial role of production and operation management in running a business. It is one of the foundations of a successful organization. In simple terms, production operation management refers to the proper management of the process of making a product or providing a service, from planning, organizing, to controlling operations. My deepest realization was this: no matter how you good the business idea is, if the operation is not well organized, it is possible it will not be succeed. So far, an entrepreneur, it is not enough to just have a creative idea or a marketable product. You also need to learn to manage the processes behind the production, from how you get materials, how you organize people's work, and how you ensure the consistent quality of the product or service. One of the first concepts that is very important in production operation management is workflow. You will learn how each part of the production process flows, where is it start and where is it start and how it ends. By understanding workflow, we learn to remove obstacle in operation. When the flow is continuous, production is faster, there are fewer errors, and costs are also lower. The next important part is quality control. Every business, the goal is to provide a product that is only beautiful to the eye but also of quality. When the product is sloppy, not only sales are affected, but also the reputation of the business. At production operation management, I learned the importance of focusing on quality from the first step of production to the release of the finished product. One of the most important principles I have learned is the concept of continuous improvement. In production operation management, there are principles like Kaizen, which teaches that you don't have to wait for a problem to change the system. Every day, there is an opportunity to improve the process. Even it is just a small step, when combined, it has a significant impact on overall business. But why is this important for entrepreneurs? As an entrepreneur, you are you are the brain and hearts of the business. But it's not enough to just know what you want to sell. You should also know how to do it, how long it takes, how much it costs, and how to improve it as the business grows. Knowledge of the production operation management gives you the ability to manage the business in more systematic way. Thank you.